Welcome to another session of Golang series. So guys, in this video we're gonna discuss about all Go CLI command. So guys, in our last lesson we learned how to write our first application in Go. Now we have to use this command to proceed further. So guys, let's go to Visual Studio Code. So guys, first we will see Go run command. Go run command is used to compile the files and immediately execute the code. So when we will write go run main.go, so it compiles the file and execute the code. So that's why we are getting welcome to Golang. So guys, so we know what is the use of go run. So it compiles the file and immediately execute the code. So guys, next command is go build. So when we write go build main.go, okay, we can see a file is created but there is no result in the console. So that file we can run anytime to execute our program. So when I run that executable file, I got the result welcome to Golang. So guys, this build command makes Go as a cross-platform. We will generate an executable file and we can run in any operating system. That means this executable file can run on any Mac or Linux OS, and in case of Windows we will get .exe file. So guys, next we will discuss go format command. Okay, so I'm going to go playground to understood this. So guys, I'm writing format.println. Hello. When I'm click, now I need to format this code. So when I will click on format, Go automatically format the code. So Go format automatically format all the code in each file in the current directory. So guys, we learned go run, go build and go format. Next command is go install. We want to create an executable file and we want to use that file in our current operating system. In that cases we have to use go install. So go install, what it will do, it will compiles and install a package into our machine. So guys, the next command is go get. If we want to download some raw source code which is written by someone or any third party, and if we want to use in our applications, in that cases we have to use go get command. So guys, we will see go install and go get in our later tutorials. And the last one is go test. If we want to execute our any test cases in the current project, we can use go test. So guys, in this video we learned what is the use of go run, go build, go format, go installation, go get and go test command. So guys, I'm repeating all the things. Go run command is used to compile the Go files and immediately execute the code. Go build, it compiles the file and create an executable file so that we can use in any operating system. Go format, it automatically format all the code in each file in the current directory. Go install, it compiles and install a package so that we can use this in our current machine. Go get is used to download any third-party package. So go test is used to run any test associated with the current project. So guys, this is all about Go CLI command. In the next session we will discuss about Go workspace. So guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned to the channel.